I'm Barb Steinberg, teen life coach for girls, parent coach, and speaker on teen girl issues. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about empowering your girls, and there are so many different ways that we do this, but I wanted to talk today about faith, about sharing with our girls and telling our girls that we have faith in them. So imagine you being your daughter's age and you hear regularly from your mom, your dad, your caregiver, "I have faith in you." How would that make you feel? I'm imagining that it would make you feel empowered and that you would feel like this adult in your life believed in you, that you were capable, that you were strong, able, and that it might kind of give you the boost that you need to choose what's best for you, what's right for you. So faith, complete trust and confidence in someone or something. I know when it comes to adolescents, there certainly are moments that trust wavers, that they make decisions and choices and do things that definitely lowers our trust in them for sure. And there are many moments that we're really proud of them and they demonstrate trust and confidence from us. So the more that we can say things like, "I have faith that you'll be able to find the answer that's right for you," or "I have faith that you'll be able to figure this out since it's so important to you." That, even in the moments that we might be hoping that that's the truth, it's still super important for us to say because it empowers them. I'm imagining that it just boosts them and lights a fire under them that we, the adults in their lives, we believe in them and that we have confidence in them even when they don't. So sometimes that's all that we need as human beings, to know that somebody else has faith in us, and then all of a sudden we can muster up some faith in ourselves. So I think that these are really powerful words to share with our girls whenever you feel like they need them. Hopefully this idea has been helpful for you. And if you'd like more, please sign up for our monthly newsletter on barbsteinberg.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Barb Steinberg LMSW Advice for Parents of Teen Girls. Thanks for listening. Bye.